guys, today we're going to be making a really quick video. Sorry guys, oh my god, it's so annoying. But yeah, we're going to be making a quick video about these Razer green keycaps. My keyboard, I'm saving up for it. Yeah, but we're going to make a video on the keycaps and the coiled cable. For some reason, they sent us 2 of them, but I don't know. Are you sure, Mommy? Because the last one had an error. Mommy. So here. So you have to open it up.
Inaantay ka namin ano. Don't do it now. Do it later. Abram, don't do it now.
I'm just gonna be unboxing this. I'll review it later. But let's unbox this baby. Yep.
Hi.
Oh, look at that. Huh?
Yeah, he's just doing something. Maybe that's not. Is that complete already? You can come down, but it's too messy here.
Oh.
We're cleaning.
This is the stuff. This is the manual. This is a PBT keycap set. Oh. Oh my gosh. I just dropped something. And here is this coiled cable. The Razer coiled cable. Right here. And a keycap puller. Oh, that's my first ever keycap puller. Yeah. We got stabilizers. But I don't know what happened with this because we did not order this.
Sell it to Yamoto. Yamoto, do you want any? Do you
Oh,
want to
here,
assemble
here.
mechanical keyboard? Do you have a computer?
Mechanical keyboard. Mechanical keyboard stabilizers.
Does you want to make a mechanical keyboard?
So first, we're gonna pull out one. I said I was gonna review later, but since my friend is already down here, we could just chill out. So, here is a double shot. No, it's just a PVT keycap set. So here's the green keycap. I might be able to put some. Oh no, I don't think so because yeah. But I don't know what happened to this because there's only supposed to be one. This is the only one it's supposed to be in. This is a 1-year warranty. So I'm gonna be putting this back in here. My friend is down here. I'm gonna put these keycaps back in here. And we're gonna show the cable. Oh my gosh. I can't even fit it in this box though. No, but that keycap puller though. I don't even have a keycap puller. So here's the second one. I don't know why it's here, but yeah. I don't know if it's used or it's okay still. But here's the coiled cable. I'm not gonna open it up yet, but yeah. Here's the coiled cable. You wanna buy this? You wanna buy this? How much do you wanna buy it?
I don't know.
How much do you wanna buy it for? Tell me.
I don't know. I don't have a computer.
No, but you could just have it for the display. So we're gonna put this back up here. Oh, sorry. I messed it up. Yeah. So put this through here. Yes. I don't know what the heck happened to this box, but for some reason it's really beat up. So okay, so we're gonna review this box. I'm gonna put this box in my room. I'll be right back. So, if I haven't been showing my face a lot, I'm sorry. So, here we have a keycap remover and tool and tool. We got even oh frick, I messed up. So we got a keycap remover. Dang, I don't even have a keycap remover. So we have a braided coiled fiber. We got a coiled cable and double shot PVT keycaps. I don't know where this, but this is full. If you hear it shaking, this is full. I don't know why there's two of them, but yeah. So we got this is a double shot PVT keycap. This is a thing. I don't know why. 1 second, guys. I'm sorry I'm pausing too much, but yeah. Alright guys, that will conclude the end of our oh my, I'm so bad at grammar, bro. So that concludes our video on this. On the accidental 2 keycap set. I don't know where to put this one, but yeah, for some reason we got 2 of them. I think one, like, something happened to that other one. Yeah, but that'll mark the end of these PBT keycaps. I have it upside down. I have it upside down again. Oh my goodness, I need a minute. So that would wrap up our video. Bye guys. See you in the next one. Let me take a picture real quick. Sorry guys, that was pretty cringy, but that was cringy, bro. Keep doing cringe stuff. Alright, bye.